ating next performance. Can I have from SM City, Muntinlupa, Joseph Rafael Baset. And house. Hello, Joseph. Wow, nice hair. Thank you, thank you. Alright, come here in front. Alright, hi Joseph. Sinong mga kasama mo today?
Family ko po.
Ano na?
Family ko.
Family, asan yung family? Yeah, wow, ang dami nila. At syempre, pinipicturean ka na nila, o, di ba? Anong gagawin mo this afternoon? Anong gagawin mo? Sasayaw ka ba? Kakanta?
Sasayaw.
Alright, so anong favorite mong sayawin?
Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson. Then, yun din ba yung sasayawin mo this afternoon? Michael Jackson? Hindi. Oh, yan. Ako, get ready to be thrilled by our contestant from SM City, Muntinlupa, Joseph Rafael